Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. First, make sure mobile data is active and your plan allows tethering so you avoid surprises. Once done, plug in or confirm battery greater or equal to 20% because tethering can drain power quickly. Next, open Settings and use the search bar for Hotspot or Tethering. This gets you to the correct menu quickly. You're doing this to share your phone's internet securely with other devices, so prioritize finding the hotspot settings before changing any options. You now configure the hotspot for security and performance. First, tap Mobile Hotspot and enter a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so unauthorized users cannot join. Then, choose the band. Pick 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster local speeds when the receiving device supports it. Also, set a device limit or data cap if available. This prevents accidental overage and keeps performance consistent for your primary device. You're ready to enable tethering. Toggle the hotspot on and confirm the SSID and password displayed match your settings. Next, use another device to connect and test web access. This ensures DNS and routing are functioning. If it fails, don't panic, toggle the hotspot off and on, reboot your phone, and reconfirm mobile data/APN settings because many failures are resolved by restarting services. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm tethering is provisioned on your account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.